Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Virus Alert. So the name of this ransomware is Virus Alert. The ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It damages the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles or complications. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then this ransomware starts damaging the files. It is called Virus Alert, as clearly mentioned in the ransom note. Virus Alert, ransomware version 8.0.3. So the ransomware actually adds a random extension to the files. It's not stable, this is something random. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom and to contact the developers using this email address. But paying the ransom doesn't guarantee the file recovery. Don't pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. If you pay the ransom, as I said, you will simply waste your money. We recommend you to use a special anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner, which will help you to remove this ransomware. To download Combo Cleaner, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their shortcuts may also be damaged by this ransomware. So, go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system. The software is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. After the update, the program will begin researching your system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. The scanning duration, of course, takes some time. It typically depends on various factors. For instance, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, or it may also depend on how powerful the computer is in general. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer clean and to keep your data always protected in the future.